Hello, creative thinkers. So today I'm going to do the live on a very important topic.
uh, do the live on
Sorry. Yeah. So what will be the topic? That is on this book. If you can see the book. Yeah, this is the creative thinking book and a creative thinking activity book, rather, I would say. And this book actually I have published with 50 such creative thinking activity, which actually immense helpful to if you want your child to practice the creative thinking. So no, I'm not doing the marketing for this book, but actually it is helpful. So let me just share one or two topic and how my daughter is doing that. I'll share today. And if you don't want to invest, because the printed copy is a little higher, because the page quality is uh, color and best quality pages, so that's why the cost is going high, and I have to keep the price little higher. That too, like I should say that I have not kept high margin on that, but then still, because of the page quality, the price is actually higher. But still, if you want to access those, the puzzle, the creative thinking activity puzzle, and you don't want to invest more, you can buy the Kindle version, which is pretty decent price. That is, I think, 249 or something. So you can invest 249 and you will get 50 search activity. And just you have to just tell your child, if your child is 5 to 15 years, and sometimes if they don't have any activity to do, they feel bored. How many of you feel that our kids wants to watch some screen in maybe TV or mobile because they feel bored? And these type of activities are best to engage your kids. Like sometimes they often want to watch YouTube, and YouTube, as we know, that we don't have any control because they have their own suggestion. They have their own algorithm for suggestion, and they can suggest anything. And the kids actually, we don't have that much time. I mean, no parents have that much time to monitor their kids all the time, that what they are watching. And we can't trust YouTube suggestions, that they will only give good video suggestion to kids. So it's not suggestible to give your child the mobile or TV and let them watch YouTube. That's a very bad option. So what else you can do? You can give some, obviously, some toys and those things, but then again, with the same toys, they will feel bored easily. I mean, they will play 1 or 2 days and then they will feel bored. So this is why I have written this book, because I believe that these kind of activities actually help them to think out of the box, and it will help actually improving their creative mind. So we have both creative and critical mind, and development of both these minds are very important. And as I am saying again and again, that our current education system does not help our child to improve their creative mind. So there are subjects like science, maths, and the other subject also, which helps them to improve their critical thinking, but creative thinking no one is talking. And so that's why this book, anyway. So let me read the problem, the activity, I should say. So the first activity say that, what if storyteller. So this is the, so there are like 10 type of activities, and in each type of activities, five activities are there. So the first type of activities are what if questions. So the first question was, what if animals could talk to human? Tell a tale of a curious encounter between a talkative cat and a young adventurer. So how many of you feel that even we, if you have 10-15 minutes time, and if you want to think of this type of fictional stories, it's very, we feel very good, right? Because we are thinking something which is apart from our daily, daily life, anxiety, and whatever is our daily routine. So you can also do that if you love to think fictional stories. But believe me, these type of story prompts actually help your kids to become a good storyteller. So I'll just read what my daughter wrote. She just started writing those things, so some few spelling and those things are actually wrong. But anyway, actually, this is the way she can actually think something which she is not reading in her class. So how many of you feel that these type of activities are really good, and you want that your kid is actually practice like they will practice this type of fun activity along with other kids? Because when your kids is thinking alone, she or he will only think in a limited manner. But when they will think in a class, so there are like 10-15 student and everyone will tell their story, then everyone will be benefited, everyone will get some new ideas, and then they can write a even better story. And this is not a kind of critical thinking question where there is one right answer. The story can be anything. So this is how the same story repeatedly, the same question they can answer again and again. So sometimes today maybe my daughter wrote some story with the same prompt, she can write a different story. So she has written that once upon a time there lived a young adventurer. Everyone used to call him, his name was Thomas. Thomas used to explore mystical things. One day he was exploring, sorry. So one day he was exploring a jungle, but this was not a normal jungle. It was a mystical one. So she has written mystical. While he was looking, he saw a cat. He thought that it was a normal cat. But as he walked away, the cat was talking. She said, "Hey, wait, can't we talk together? My name is Anna. What is yours?" So now you can see that she could imagine this thing like a cat is talking to a human. So let's proceed with the story. So then she wrote that he was shocked. A cat talking to him? But since he was an explorer, he replied, "My name is Thomas." The two talked for a long time. Morning became afternoon. Afternoon became evening. Thomas became very scared. How will he go now? He asked the cat, "Do you know how to get out of here?" Anna thought and said, "Yes, I know. Just go and left and you will see a portal. Going and you will be get back home." Thomas followed the cat instruction and he got home. He was relieved and he had seen a talkative cat. And so this was her story. So you tell your child also write stories on this prompt. I'll mention the prompt in the comment box so that you can access the prompt and you can tell your child to write a story. And if your child wrote a story on this question, then if possible take a photo and post it in the group. So I'd love to read the story of your child. And I can assure you that by the time your child will finish this book, they will be very good at thinking a new story. And we all know that how storytelling is one of the best way to communicate. So let your child be a best storyteller in the world. Be creative. So thanks for now. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye, creative thinkers.